Hey, we're here with Matt Jones at the Dorner booth at the PAC Expo West, and Matt's going to show us what's new with Dorner. Go ahead, Matt.
Thank you. This is our edge roller technology. This is a brand new product that we're introducing. This is actually the third trade show where we've had this. We introduced this a few months ago. It's now ready for production. It's a great product for certain applications. We're targeting life sciences. We're targeting some electronics applications. This has a clean room rating of class 100. We're working towards a class 10 rating on this. And what's really unique about this is the drive mechanism, which you can see right here. It's not a belt-driven system. It is a gear-driven system, and this allows us to operate the conveyor with a zoned type system that permits zero pressure and accumulation, but also handling heavy loads. So we're really excited about this, and hopefully if you have any applications or interests, please do contact us and contact your local distributor as well. Thank you.